Hello, in this short tutorial I want to show you how to make a part of the photo black and white and the other part still in color. All you need is a free tool called Snapseed. It's free for Android and iOS. I open, so I have the photo in Snapseed. You go to the pencil and to adjustments, select saturation and go all the way down to -100. Fine, press OK. You see, the photo is in black and white. Now we want to bring the colors back. So we have, on this side, we have here a button with the two plates and the arrow going back. And then you have to select the something with adjustment. I don't know the exact English name, with the 3 plates. So on the right side you see adjustments and below original. So if you press original, you get fall back to the original photo. Adjustments are the changes that we have just done. If you do more, you will see a bigger list, and then you can select every adjustment that you have done and delete it or manipulate it. We want to manipulate it. That's going with the second symbol, the brush in the box. So we see again the color photo, because in this, if you're starting this, the changes will not affect the photo. If you press the second button on the left corner, now we have, you see it with the, press the eye, then you see where the change are affecting the photo. In this moment we are affecting everything. Everything is red, that means 100%. And here we have also a brush. You can adjust the brush, how strong it is, 100%, 75, 50 or 25 or 0, that's erasing. I want to bring the color back, so I erase the change that we have done, the saturation -100, from some parts. So I start to paint over this part of the photo that I want to have back, the colors back. Zooming works with 2 fingers, the same movement of the photo. You have to press, use your 2 fingers like for zooming, only moving the photo around. So if you make a mistake, for example, like painting too far, you go to 100% and paint again the settings, the changes that you had just selected. Okay, yeah. So I'm nearly done. That's something where you need some time to do it right. But for this example, I think that's fine enough. So if I now zoom out, you see it, it's good enough. Press OK, then back, and you are back in the menu, and you can do more changes to the photos as you like. So I hope this will help you. Give me a thumbs up, give me a comment if you like, if you have something to add, or I don't know, yeah, a comment. And this photo I post today also on Instagram, so if you want to see some tiny planets from me, visit my Instagram channel. I put the link below in the description. Bye!